Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Eclipse TV, and it's your boy, Take Them. Today we are here live in Negril on 7 Mile Beach. Today we are interviewing the nicest man in Negril. Come with me. Meet the nicest man in Negril.
Welcome to Negril. Yeah man, welcome to Negril.
So tell us, how do you come by the name the nicest man in Negril?
I want them there and two boys come beat me up and rob me and take away all of my money. Yeah man. The boy them take away most of my goods. Yeah man.
So what did you do when this happened?
Boy, I'm going to get me rest of goods and tell him to go on. Yeah man.
Wow, that was very nice. So this is how you got your name?
No, you know. You so one them up on the beach and want to man drop in bag. When I check your bag, it's more than 10,000 US.
So you buy back goods? That's how you get your name?
No, you know. I search and find that white lady and give her back the bag. Yeah man.
Wow, and she gave you a reward.
Oh, you know. My friend him find out and he come beat me up, you know, and call me idiot, you know. Yeah man.
Oh my lord, so you call the police?
No sir, we don't call no police. We tell the police that nothing happened when they come. Yeah, a lady was drowning and I have to run out in the water to save her. Yeah man, but I forgot, so I could never swim. When I wake up, I find myself in the hospital for an accident. In my bed, I see this sign. From that day, I'm the nicest man in Negril.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the nicest man in Negril.